Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to cook an egg in water. First, let's talk about poaching. For perfect poached eggs, always start with very fresh eggs. They hold their shape much better. Fill a saucepan with about 2 to 3 inches of water and add 1 teaspoon of white vinegar. Bring this to a gentle simmer, ensuring it's not boiling vigorously. This initial setup is crucial for success. Once your water is simmering, carefully crack each egg into a separate small bowl. Then, gently slide each egg into the water. Cook for precisely 3 to 4 minutes if you prefer a runny yolk, or a little longer for a firmer one. Use a slotted spoon to carefully remove the egg, allowing any excess water to drain away before serving. Now, let's move on to boiling eggs, starting with soft-boiled. Place your eggs in a single layer in a saucepan and cover them with about 1 inch of cold water. Bring the water to a rolling boil, then immediately reduce the heat to a gentle simmer. Cook for 5 to 6 minutes to achieve that delightful, jammy yolk. For hard-boiled eggs, you'll want to cook them for 10 to 12 minutes after the water reaches a boil. Once cooked, immediately transfer the eggs to an ice bath. This crucial step stops the cooking process and helps prevent that greenish ring around the yolk. It also makes them much easier to peel, especially under cold running water.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.